How to install 6 Xiaomi Pets widgets on global devices. Touch Pets to interact. Without backup file required, you can install on any Xiaomi devices. The Xiaomi Pet will react differently depending on where you touch it. Each pet has its own unique style, including 3 adorable dogs and 3 cute cats. Work on Xiaomi HyperOS 2 Global. Now, we will remove these pets and reinstall it. By default, these pets not available on my device. Update App Vault via File Manager. Link in video description. Open Settings, Additional Settings. Change region to Indonesia. Now enter Widgets screen. You will see Pets Widget and Super Widgets here. Select and add to home screen. Add any pets and widgets you want. Dashboard widget. Clock widget. AI widget. Dashboard widget can speed test internet. Quick access storage space. Enable battery save mode. After added widgets on home screen, go to additional settings, then return to your own region. Widgets still here, but not available in Widgets screen. Thanks to watching video. See you in next video coming soon.